Is it okay? Okay, ready? I can open it for you. So, my girlfriend's, I tried to pick her the Pluto because I have the Pluto box before. It's the same thing. Yeah, so ready? This be Pluto. I'm scared if it's not Pluto, we have to sell this. So if whoever wants it, you can buy it from us and you can message me on Instagram if you want. It's inside, or I can give it as a gift. You see what we'll get. Is it okay if I open it for you, babe? With the boxing kit? It's better here so you can sell it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Just watch me and learn. Is that, I know you have to open it, but if we put it here, it's not gonna be a good gift, and you don't want that, right? So that's why we'll do it in the back, so it'll be easier, then we can tape it if we want to sell it. So right here, we're opening it.
What do you want it to?
This be Pluto. Okay. If it's not Pluto, I'll sell it. I'm working on it on the back, like I did early last time. Oh no, the box, I ruined it, babe, but it's fine. I'll just tape this. So in God's hands. Ready? Please be ready. Close your eyes. Oh no! Okay, but will you be happy? Will you be happy? It's Mickey. You can have one have Minnie and Mickey.
Yeah, Mickey.
I already have Mickey.
How about me?
I don't have Minnie.
I can take mine now.
No, I'll get Minnie Mouse next time. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You got Mickey. It's fine. You can keep this Mickey, okay? So you.
I like it.
Are you happy? So you can match Minnie and Mickey.
Yours better.
My Minnie. I'll buy it next time. I promise. I'll get it next time. Unless I want to buy it again, but I'll save next time. I finally have Donald Duck in DC. Our goal is to buy Minnie next time. We'll come back here again and buy Minnie, okay? Yeah, that's it everyone, and then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. So our goal next time is Minnie Mouse. I'll get Minnie Mouse next time. That's my goal.